diving into the world of idiomatic expressions, fixed and flexible. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we are going to explore an interesting and critical aspect of the English language, idiomatic expressions. Today's focus will be on their common characteristics. Specifically, we will be understanding the concept of fixed and flexible idiomatic expressions. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's refresh our memory about what idiomatic expressions are. Idiomatic expressions are phrases or sentences that do not mean exactly what they say. They have a metaphorical, not a literal meaning. For example, when someone says they're feeling under the weather, they don't mean they're literally under the clouds. Rather, it means they're not feeling well. Fixed idiomatic expressions are idioms that cannot be altered without losing or changing their meaning. You cannot replace or change any word in a fixed idiom. If you do, it will sound strange and might be misunderstood. On the other hand, flexible idiomatic expressions can have words added, removed, or changed, and they still make sense and keep their idiomatic meaning. Let's move to some examples. A very common fixed idiomatic expression is, kick the bucket. This idiom means to die. However, you cannot say, kick the pail, or kick the can, because it won't convey the same meaning, and native speakers might not understand you. It's a fixed idiom. You cannot change the words in it. Another example is, bite the bullet. This idiom means to force oneself to endure a painful situation. Changing it to bite the bun will not retain the same meaning. Now, let's discuss some flexible idiomatic expressions. A common one is, the ball is in your court. This means it's now your turn to take action. But, we can slightly change this idiom, and it would still make sense to a native speaker. Like, the ball is in their court, or, the ball is in our court. The meaning remains the same, only the context changes. Another flexible idiomatic expression is, to beat around the bush. It means to avoid talking about a difficult or sensitive subject. However, you can say, stop beating around the bush, or, they always beat around the bush. And the idiomatic meaning stays intact. And there you have it, folks. A simple introduction to fixed and flexible idiomatic expressions in the English language. We hope that these examples have helped you understand the difference between the two, and that you're now more confident in identifying and using them. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering idioms. So, keep practicing and you'll be a pro in no time. As always, happy learning!